Introduce highlight features or overview summary for OSTBA food dehydrator with 5 stainless steel trays, 400 watts food dryer machine. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: durable stainless steel embedded trays. This OSTBA food dehydrator features 5 BPA-Free, food-grade stainless steel embedded trays combined with a robust ABS plastic body, offering superior durability and safety compared to standard all-plastic tray dehydrators. Ideal as a meat dehydrator for jerky, fruit dehydrator, and herb dehydrator. Precise temperature control and 48-hour timer for custom drying. Adjust temperature from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit with a 48-hour timer, giving full control for drying herbs, jerky, or various foods. This dehydrator machine also includes an auto shut-off for added safety and convenience. Powerful 400-watt motor and 360-degree airflow for even drying. Equipped with a 400-watt motor and 360-degree airflow technology. This small dehydrator ensures even heat distribution without tray rotation, preserving up to 97% of nutrients, perfect as a mushroom dehydrator, fruit dryer dehydrator, or meat dehydrator. Compact stackable design with adjustable tray height. The 180-degree rotatable stackable trays allow flexible spacing for different food sizes. Its compact design with built-in cord storage makes it an ideal dehydrator machine for versatile drying needs. Quiet operation and easy cleaning for everyday use. Designed for quiet operation with non-slip feet for stability, the stainless steel embedded trays and ABS plastic base are easy to clean. Includes a recipe book for creative snacks with this fruit dehydrator, herb dehydrator, or jerky dehydrator. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.